Welcome to Watership Down Technologies. What we have here is two water fountains, the standard type of machine you'll see in warehouses and offices, and the vandal-proof Rhino, produced by Watership Down Technologies. The Rhino has been built to withstand the rigours of lives in schools, hospitals, prisons, universities. We will guarantee this against vandal damage for 5 years. The standard machine is built with much lighter material, whereas the Rhino has a 1.5mm hardened stainless steel case. One of the big problems that we have with the standard machine is that the spouts are not strong enough for school usage. You have bubblers where the buttons are easily removed. So the kids will take these away and you've got to get an engineer to go out there and replace them. With the spout, one of the things that does happen is they get bent, and it is so easy to bend one of these. With the Rhino, we have developed a water spout that is virtually indestructible. We have a new patent designed bubbler. It overcomes the problem of cross-contamination because you can still put your mouth over this. With the new bubbler, you can't. You can't get your mouth over it. You cannot get to the point where the water is coming out of the spout. We have two buttons, two remote buttons. These are Loctited down. You cannot remove these. What we now do is have an internal flow valve, so we adjust the flow valve from inside the machine so nobody can get at the flow, adjust them from outside the machine. With the Rhino, these are the brackets, 3/8 thick stainless steel brackets that we use to fix these to the wall. And to comply with BREEAM, we also have base fixing to the floor. And these have been designed that when you actually bolt them to the floor, they do miss the underfloor heating systems. Now what we're going to do in a few minutes is we're going to take a couple of these spouts, we're joining them together, and outside we've got two John Deere tractors. One 500 horsepower tractor weighing 20 tonne and a 300 horsepower tractor weighing 11 tonnes. We're going to go out and have a little game of tug of war. If you can now bear with me, we're going to go outside. It's a little bit windy out there, but let's see what we can do. So follow me.